A lot of people suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome, which causes symptoms like numbness or tingling in the fingers or hand, or pain that travels from the wrist to the fingers. While symptoms may come and go at first, carpal tunnel syndrome should not be ignored, as it tends to get worse over time. At Marin General Hospital, we always turn to minimally invasive treatments first. Non-surgical approaches include bracing or splinting, anti-inflammatory drugs, steroid injections, and therapy. For advanced cases, minimally invasive carpal tunnel release can be very effective. The procedure can be performed on an outpatient basis under local anesthesia, so you can go home the very same day. With all of the treatment options available today, you don't have to let carpal tunnel syndrome impact your quality of life.
Heroes in Healthcare, sponsored by Marin General Hospital, your healing place. Find out more at maringeneral.org.